When they are cubs, it's an unfamiliar and sometimes tense relationship with them. The deep water between the fire and Fiketsa will keep her safe, but the danger may come in a different guise. 2 new males strut into her territory in the swamp. If they accept her cubs, the new males could help her form a new pride again. She's not taking any chances. The female cub tries to hone her tree climbing skills. She doesn't quite have the hang of it yet. The smell of meat and the cubs has started to attract attention. It's a stolen meal. Next time, it might be a cub.